We've successfully handled many cases involving brain injury. The effects of brain injury are as varied as anything a person can do. I mean, when you think about it, the brain controls all of our physical motion, it controls our intellectual ability, it controls our mood, and its effects on our personality affect all of our relationships. So when we approach a case with brain injury, one of the things that I've learned to do is to really get to know the person who has the brain injury and know their family, because it's understanding how the effects of this injury ripple through that person's life and their relationships that really can make all the difference to presenting that case successfully. I'll give you one small example that sticks in my mind in handling these cases. I had a trial a few years ago that ended up in a substantial verdict for the plaintiff, in which a gentleman who had been a very capable professional suffered a profound brain injury from a delayed treatment in the emergency room. One of the things that came to light in the course of the case was a notebook that this gentleman kept, in which he would write down repetitively his name, his address, the name of his wife, and his telephone number. And he would fill pages and pages of this notebook just trying to put down and remember facts that, for most of us are deeply ingrained. And in the course of the trial, we were presenting evidence of the medical imaging, the medical records, and all the technical evidence. But I think what was probably the most compelling piece of evidence that we ended up presenting to the jury was this notebook of page after page of this man who was formerly a highly functioning professional, writing down his name, his wife's name, and where he lived. And it's that kind of thing that I think really makes a difference in presenting a case successfully, and is also real and gives appropriate justice to the level of the injury. So those are the kinds of things that when we handle a case of brain injury, we do understand all the medicine. We have plenty of experience doing that. We have many, many world-class experts in neurology, neurosurgery, you name it. But I think what really comes down to making a difference is our dedication to and ability to really immerse ourselves in the lives of the patient and their family so that we can understand the profound effects of the brain injury and present that appropriately to the jury. Thank you.